ke uDambisa ke uyiphrovile ukuthi uyabona uPoise kudala emsola wase vele emkhiphela isibhamu wasibona wathi yey isibhamu. And ke guys uThidi uzobanjwa ke na ukuthi akasiye na umfazi kaPerfect wangempela njengoba ke kuzofika ke umfazi wangempela kaPerfect lapha yana ku-memorial service. Kanti ke uMadlomo ugcine evumile ukuthi ke uyangena esithenjini sikaNhloso ngemali yasebusha. Kunzima guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Side Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV's Kingdom from the 30th to the 4th of July 2025 on Monday. Sanda has to give the performance of her life, but exterior element hinder her success. Nhloso has no choice but to face the music when Dihle confront him on Tuesday. Teps is convinced that only a miracle can save his son, and Tadita plays her final, last and most desperate card with Tiro on Wednesday. A desperate father is forced to reconnect with his estranged son. Mom Ngadi tests whether there is any hope of redemption for Nhloso and Madlomo's marriage. Thidi's lies start to unravel when she is forced to face the truth on Thursday. A woman blatant honestly leave a man worried. Nhloso brings in an unexpected ally, stirring old grudges and buried resentment. Mathubela gets more involved in Thidi's shenanigans than anyone was expecting on Friday. Teps and Sanda are forced to lie to their son about the true identity of his Samaritan. Nhloso's flamboyant uncle is in-law arrive to save the day. A husband discovers the full extent of his wife's deception. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.